I think probably for me in clinical practice, the key thing is the value of volume contrast imaging. And then multiplanar comes after that, confirming in 2 or more planes the parts of the corpus callosum. But I think the biggest advantage in a sense is, damn, I can't get the corpus callosum. And then you get yourself out of trouble by getting a reconstructed image. And that is a time-saving exercise in routine clinical practice. And in a situation when you're doing that, as I say, you might be lucky with a straightforward position AP, but this is a feature you can see as I rotate around and bring the occiput posterior, rotate 90 degrees, I haven't a hope in hell of getting any information about this midbrain. So it's in a scenario like that where I do a 3D acquisition. But the key thing I mention about is you must get your anterior complex, you must look for your callosal sulcus, and you must look for your triangular, and you have to see this bar of tissue, which is your genu. And by only tilting the transducer into an oblique position, can you then acquire. If you can't see the genu, then don't acquire. And that's just a very slight manipulation. But if you put that into clinical practice, you will be able to bring up sagittal corpus callosum that you cannot obtain on an axial view. And that's just taking the same, then you take your multiplanar, come up to the, well, I'm just going to fast forward into the time, and then you come on to your 3D reconstruction showing a normal looking corpus callosum. So it is a very valuable tool in routine imaging.